everybody, today I want to show you this product that's made it from Japan.
This is from Georgetta Company, and I opened one already, but I want to show you how beautiful and how neat this thing is. So it's coming with a 2 box like this, and that you can see is also dedicated, is handmade. So it's very beautiful. I just totally in love with this, and I never used this thing before. So this is the ClayFlag. I think this is something new, and when I open inside, it also have the beautiful note, and it say ClayFlag give you the beautiful moment. Thank you for your order. So it's this thing right here. It's very heavy, and traditionally we use something like this in flower arrangement, the flower fox. But with this clay, it's more safety because you can see this very pokey, and if you have children or somehow you get hurt by yourself, so this is very safe. And I like how they have the little sticker for me, and inside here it have the cute, it's a very nice packing, and it have the handmade thing. But this is how it's shaped like. In the bottom like this, and you can see if you put it in the water, you can see the level of the water can go to this hole to keep the flower fresh. Okay. And it's very smooth, so it's very easy to clean, very easy when you have the flower there for a while, you want to clean out the water and change the water. So like I say, I got 2 of them, so I'm gonna open this box as well. I just love this. This is how the box packing, so beautiful. I love the little note. You know, when you buy things online and you get the beautiful note, and the way they pack, it's just so cute. The two, this is more green. This is more like I would say very light green color. This is a little bit darker, but they are basically designed the same, the bottom and the top. So, and they arrive very quick. They arrive only a few days. It's shipping from US, so you're not afraid of shipping overseas during the COVID. I have this 2 heavy clay pot. Oops, I make that noise. And I already fill up with water. So here you go. I'm gonna start do arrangement. I'm gonna be using the mini. This is a small color lily, and it has a very dark color. It's kind of like deep burgundy dark color. And I also have the leaf to go with it. So let's do one by one. Curve the leaf. This is how I actually use. You either use your finger, the index finger, or you can just use the middle finger and the index finger to do it together like this. I like it this way because my pinky can also control how it's moved, and then it just curl the way how you want it to curl. Cut a little bit. So now I will use the most taller and stronger color lily to come in my handmade product. So when you cut the flower, you want to cut it with 90 degrees so it have the water short to come in. This flower is already processed. The reason why I don't finish with the leaf and then I add in the flower is because I needed balance for it to stay.
finished with the arrangement, and this turned out to be very nice.
It's very easy to change the water. Basically, what you have to do is just pick this up, clean the bottom vase, and then put in new water with flower fruit in there. And then that's it. Unless you want to take it out and rearrange it. The only thing with this type of arrangement, or even you using the metal one, always make sure that you have to balance it down, because if you don't balance, then it's very easy to fall off. So this is one arrangement, and I'm gonna move on to the next one. With Dusty Miller, and I'm gonna have to remove the leaf. So like I mentioned earlier, if the hole is too small, you might wanna trim the stems thinner to poke it in. And when it's thinner that you can poke it in, it's always easy for it to stay. I'm gonna use Gubba Daisy, and yeah, pink and purple will look better.
This arrangement is more like a feast style arrangement, so I just designed it based on the feeling of how I feel. To me, each arrangement is the story behind it, because the arrangement can tell the feeling, the emotional of the person that do it. It's really just like a piece of art, if you can think of that way. When I look at anybody arrangement, I don't only look at the design of the flower, but I try to think of the story behind it and how the person feel when the person do the arrangement. So I finished with this design too, and as you can see, like say the ClayFlag is very easy to arrange, and I really like this product. It's first of all it's safe and it's easy to arrange. You can just have to keep the balance of the flower for it to stay, but overall this product is very well designed, and I love the idea of it. It's easy, and you don't have to afraid that the bacteria will trap inside the needle. This one is so easy to clean out, like I mentioned earlier. I hope you like this arrangement, and thank you for supposedly Floral. Thank you for sponsor for us on this product as well. I include the link in the description and also the first comment, so you can buy this product and try it yourself.